welcome, trend followers, to the Weekly Trend Trader. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to turn on the notification bell, because it's the notification bell that YouTube uses to alert you to the fact that we've put out another new video like this one. And also share it with others, because there's others out there that have tried short-term trading, have tried intermediate trading, and it hasn't worked for them. And they don't know that they can make money this way as a trend follower by sitting on their hands. So share it with them, and it may be just what they're looking for. Okay, so today what we're going to talk about is what causes a swing low. We're going to look at a couple of charts. We're going to look at the NASDAQ 100, and we're going to look at NVIDIA. So what causes a swing low? Well, it's a couple of things. It's price moving down along with profit taking. And we're going to look at examples of that. Price is moving down along with profit taking. Okay, so those of you that know the setup, here's the setup. 52-week moving average, got a rising 52-week moving average, which means we're in an uptrend long term. And first example here, if you look from July, there's the first bout of profit taking. Then again in September, then finally in October, we get that last bit of profit taking to put in the swing low. Also, look at the RSI. In an uptrend, remember, in a bullish bias, the market will come to the 50, bounce off the 50 and return higher. Come to the 50, bounce off the 50 and return higher. That's what happens in a bullish bias and an uptrending market. So there we are in October, we bounce off the 50. That is the swing low. It's profit taking along with weeks of downward price movement. And eventually we put in that swing low. We look at the 50 RSI and we can see that the 50 is lower. Let's look at the next example on the NASDAQ. Have a look at April. What happens? 1, 2, 3 weeks of selling, last big week of selling, capitulation selling, price drops to 17,000. Look at the RSI, clean V spike bounce off the RSI, and the market starts to move again to the upside. So it's those 3 weeks of selling, that profit taking, that caused the swing low. After a swing low, we create another swing high because we're in an uptrend. So what's been happening recently? Well, we've run up to the swing high. Have a look at the area around 20,500 on the NASDAQ 100. We've hit that level and we've had that multiple weeks of selling. Multiple weeks of selling, profit taking brings us down to the 52-week moving average. On this occasion, we touch it at 17,500. Look at the RSI. We hit that 50 level. Profit taking and falling prices give us that swing low. It will only be totally confirmed when we continue to move higher from 18,500. If we go down and retest 17,500, again, it could be still putting in that swing low. As long as we don't break 17,500, that indeed was our swing low on this occasion. Let's look at another example, a stock that's very hot at the moment, NVIDIA. So here's NVIDIA. Again, let's look back at the swing high. The swing high was there in March. The RSI is above the 80. We're clearly at 95 on the price. And then we have 1, 2, 3 weeks, one big week of capitulation selling that brings us down to about the 75 level. That is the swing low. There's a V spike reversal on the RSI. See that there? V spike reversal on the RSI, and we start to move again to the upside to create a new swing high. Where are we now? Well, we've gone up. We've touched around the 135 level. We've put in a double top. There it is. 135 double top, RSI at the 80. And what do we get? Price reversal, price rejection, profit takers coming in week after week after week of selling, which confirms that was the swing high. Now, We're talking about swing lows today. So how do we know? Well, we dropped to the price 90, which is above that continually rising 52-week moving average. Remember, in an uptrend, the trend will continue to rise. The 52-week moving average will continue to rise. But look at the RSI. The RSI has dropped once again to the 50. Now, as long as the RSI stays above the 50, we have a bullish bias. So even though we've had this sell-off, the market is still bullish. It's the profit taking that has caused the swing low. Now, I know that we talked about things here. We've got a 2-year chart. People might not be used to seeing the whole setup and how things work. So what I would recommend is that you go over and have a look at the 2 strategy videos. Now, the strategy videos will tell you the easiest way to make money sitting on your hands, as we do as trend followers. We love it. We sit on our hands, we can do other things, make money elsewhere as well, and still make a shed load of money here while we sit on our hands. Okay, so have a look at those videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe and like and all those good things, and I'll see you on the next video.